Yeah, I just want to show you guys what I've been working on. I have no more PC parts to freaking build PCs, so that's what I've been working on over here.
Whoa! Holy crap!
T-shirts, vinyl. It's a heat transfer like I made shorts about. But
Wait a minute.
oh, but yeah, we'll cut that.
Holy crap!
Front mom life shirt. Made this for the moms.
Isn't there a cool secret about that shirt?
Oh yeah.
But we'll show that in a little bit, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll say that for last.
Best for last.
Made this for the Snotty Nose Rez kids when we went and seen them. It's got sparkles.
Golden. Yeah, you can see the sparkles when I zoomed in like that, but you took it away, so you ruined it.
Manifest.
Yo, she has the gun! She has the gun!
Can I ask a question?
Yeah.
Why is there only one sleeve?
Oh, I had to take a poop. Seriously. We're at the freaking beach and
She has the gun!
bad.
Mom! She
not
has
lying.
the gun!
Dude,
He is not lying.
I had to rip my sleeve off.
Okay.
You know,
To say
She
it.
has the gun!
when you gotta go, you gotta go. If you say you haven't been there, you're lying.
Yeah.
You're capping.
My kids wanted to have fun at the beach. I'm not gonna stop that.
Exactly. And we lived all the way up the hill. Still do.
Made this shirt for Caden. He likes TTT Pig.
Yeah, he's moderator. I'm scared, but...
Dude, this is sick.
Gorilla
See
Got
my
stick,
shots?
Stick
Mm.
Justice.
We've got plenty more.
This is JJ's shirt. I made it for his birthday. Another-
Birthday shirt.
That's the finger painter badge.
Yep.
And his is for J-Man Curly.
J-Man, where you at?
And then on the bottom I wrote, I love the funny run.
What?
That monkey, monkey, monkey. That's what J-Man Curly says a lot.
Oh, okay. I'm glad okay.
This is Destiny's shirt because she loves Ouija boards. So I made her this.
She's a big Sam Colby
Okay.
fanatic.
I like that. That's dope.
Planchette.
And then this is my favorite design too.
That's so
dope.
cool.
You're a monkey.
And you did these?
I made them all, yeah. This was for Destiny's birthday last year.
It's my birthday, bitch.
And then this was for
Get over here, you
Nene's
dumb
birthday
birdie.
last year.
Crow.
It's almost their birthday again too. So
Oh my god! Get over
40-something days. Good moms say bad words. 3 crotch demons are the reason. Don't let anyone make you feel any less.
oh,
I'm gonna shoot.
I didn't make this, but I made the design. This is from freaking Stream
What the? She
Stream
said it
Element
too.
or no?
Stream.
Yeah, Stream
Yeah.
Elements. Their merch. You can get merch on there, but I just made the design on freaking
Monkey.
Microsoft Paint.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
It was
long
in
time ago.
Photoshop.
But oh yeah, let me show
Oh,
you this other
I
design I
was
worked
gonna
on.
say.
Oh.
There's one more. Hold on.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Boom.
And there's one more.
Hide and Seek Champ 2024 and counting.
Hold on.
Oh yeah.
Turn. Right there. Okay, you're free to go, Cheeto hands.
Cheeto hair.
Now come over here.
You have no man. Now.
If anybody wants to hire me as a cameraman,
Just show them down here because you won't be able to see it.
Monkey.
This is what's going on. Caden's new t-shirt.
Monkey.
It's my first of my name.
Oh, I blew up her head.
what do you mean you can see it?
Yeah, we'll be able to see. But yeah, this is Caden's, the new design he came up with. He said he wanted Sasquatch holding the fish, and it says water is life, life is water.
Water. Yes, water is life.
Oh, you don't want the Biden?
Whoa, get away from me.
I can just cut that part off then.
Well, I like it.
And I think those are the only design. Well, I got a lot more designs I'm working on Photoshop. But yeah, that's what I've been up to. And continue to see some more t-shirts and hoodies and sweats and freaking stickers.
I was gonna say a few stickers here. Go ahead and follow the YouTube, you know.
Yep.
always plug.
Hit up our YouTubes.
There's the planchette.
And I always forget to say like and subscribe, so do that while you're there. Peace. So the first thing I normally do, well, I mean, first thing you need to do is heat up what you're gonna, oh frick, I think I need to put that up a little bit. A little tight. Oh yeah. Yep, heat it. So once you go to put the design on, it sticks. Oh crap, I forgot. Hold on a minute, I forgot Caden doesn't want it to say water is life, life is water. Hold on, I'll be right back. Yeah, I forgot. He only wants it to say water is life, so I gotta slice this up. Good thing I didn't put that on there. Alright, perfect. So I'm gonna reheat it again. Do it for like 3 seconds. 1001, 1002, 1003. So yeah, perfect. Set your design down, make sure it's even. What I do is I press it and then I set the timer. Dude, down. Forgot. You gotta press down. Press down again. And with this HTV, it's peel hot. Oh crap, that W. Dude, it doesn't seem like I got enough pressure. Yeah, I don't think I had enough pressure, so I'm gonna redo it. I think it should have, it was just the corner. Oh man, this one's not coming out. Of course, it's the one I'm recording with too. But it shows that it's not always going to be perfect, and you got to practice, practice, practice like everything else. The only sucky thing about these $100 heat presses is they're never big enough. I'm just gonna spin it. Oh, breath. It's never happened yet. Of course it happens the time I'm recording too. Alright. Go on. Press this again. Freak. That's what I should have done in the first place. Done half and then half. I don't I'm making designs a little too big for this because this is only 11 inches by 9 inches. And I've been cutting things at 12 and 12. So that's my problem there. And now this bad boy should just peel off good. Oh yeah. Dang, it's still that spot right there. Oh yeah. Maybe it's gotta go up on the heat. But yeah, it's a little bit of playing around with it to get the right settings. There it is. Oh, water is life. Sasquatch. That's dope. Let's go show Kate.
Glizzy dogs.
Wiener dog is not dog.
Babe, come
Wiener.
on. Hold this shit up real quick.
Wiener.
This is how your design came out.
Oh.
Yeah, hold that.
Close your eyes. Right about the camera seeing this reaction. 1, 2, 3.
Water is life. Yeah.
That's sick. That's his own little design.
That's cool.
Who knew? You need to wear this tomorrow.
Now selling for $19.99.
If you have a kid,
Yep.
of course. And bigger size, maybe. Please.
Oh, come back. I need you.
What am I doing?
You're gonna stand there.
Salmon. Where we were learning about salmons. I was learning about salmons.
At school?
Yeah, at our old school.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
So when you were learning about salmon at your old school, you thought of the design?
Yeah, it said water is life on the friggin' poster. So I
That's
had
true though.
I mean, not poster, but like, you know, sign. Yeah, I know.
Oh,
what you-
nice.
Hey guys, so we want to sell these shirts. They're cute, right? And they are. But they could use a little something. You want to hit the light?
That's what we
Because flipping kids. But if you're wondering why we're recording in our laundry room, it's because there's no windows and it's the darkest room in the house besides the bathroom. And this is freaking bright. Like, if you need a nightlight, it's almost like those glow sticks where you snap them.
Yeah.
Just shake the shirt. It's pretty bright once you like leave it in the light. Like if you're gonna be outside all day, and then night hits, bam, you'll never get lost.
Yeah.
We all know I need this. Just kidding. I walk everywhere.
I can see it going a little bit of light on this here. Boom.
Yeah. Can we just appreciate like how bright this really is? Insane.
Thank you.